finally made it to camp.
Finally.
And it's 1 a.m. We're committed.
Alright, good morning guys. It is don't know o'clock on a Sunday morning. We came out here late last night about 1 a.m. with John from Longcreek Overland, and he ended up having to leave this morning because it is Mother's Day. So after we finish cooking, we're going to head on out. I'm going to go spend some time with my mom as well, and also get some work done before I have to go out of town for work. So in this video, we have a new upgrade, and the gnats are crazy. We got a swing out high clearance rear bumper, and I'm excited to use it. And so to start off, we're gonna cook on it.
Landed on bacon, ham, and cheese sandwich. So, sounds good. We got some more bacon cooking over there. But yeah.
Shout out to Coastal Offroad for this amazing bumper that I've put on my truck. Cannot wait to put it to the test. So far it's been amazing. Been able to cook off the swing out, and definitely changes the look of my truck. So go check out Coastal Offroad for some bumpers, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Go check out Fast Track Overland, and also go check out Longcreek Overland for all your overland merchandise. So catch you in the next one.
Special thanks to Fast Track Overland. Gear I use: Cascadia Vehicle Tents, Prince Who Roof Rack Designs, Rome Adventure Company, Baja Design Lighting, Northwest Trail Innovations, Midland Radios, Renogy Solar Systems, RCI Off-Road Bed Racks, Rotopax Recovery, Dometic Coolers, Max Trax Recovery, and Coastal Off-Road. If you would like to purchase any Eagles Overlanding merchandise, visit longcreekoverland.com.